Welcome back to the channel, and today we are talking about one of the most exciting hot hatches on the planet, the 2027 Volkswagen Golf R. Whether you are a car enthusiast or just someone who wants the perfect daily driver with a serious punch, stick around because this one is going to blow your mind. Starting on the outside, Volkswagen has done a fantastic job keeping the Golf R looking sharp without going overboard. You get that clean, aggressive stance with the signature blue brake calipers, wider fenders, and a rear diffuser that means absolute business. The updated LED matrix headlights look incredibly premium, and those 19-inch alloy wheels just tie the whole look together perfectly. It is subtle, it is classy, but trust me, it turns heads everywhere it goes. Step inside and the interior is where things get really special. The cabin feels genuinely upmarket with soft touch materials, a flat-bottom steering wheel with R badging, and sport seats that hug you perfectly on every corner. The 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system is smooth, responsive, and packed with features including wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an upgraded Harman Kardon sound system that honestly sounds incredible. The ambient lighting gives it a premium feel day or night, and rear passengers get a surprisingly comfortable amount of space for a hatchback. Now the part everyone is here for, performance. Under the hood, the 2027 Golf R carries a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine pushing around 333 horsepower, mated to a 7-speed DSG gearbox in Volkswagen's brilliant 4MOTION all-wheel drive system. It rockets from 0 to 60 in just 4.6 seconds. The drift mode is still here, the Nürburgring Mode makes a return, and the new torque vectoring system makes this car feel absolutely planted through every single corner. It is genuinely one of the most complete performance cars you can buy today. On the tech and safety front, Volkswagen has packed in travel assist, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and a head-up display that keeps your eyes on the road. The digital cockpit is fully customizable and the whole experience feels futuristic yet intuitive. Now let us talk money. The 2027 Golf R starts at around $47,000 in the United States, which puts it in direct competition with the Honda Civic Type R and the Hyundai Elantra N. Honestly though, the Golf R wins on refinement, all-weather capability, and that premium interior quality. It does cost more, but you genuinely feel the difference every single day. My personal take, this car is the sweet spot between practical and thrilling. I have driven a lot of hot hatches and nothing quite delivers that everyday luxury combined with raw driving excitement like the Golf R does. It is a car that makes you smile on Monday morning commutes and Saturday canyon runs equally. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more weekly car content, and drop a comment below telling me if you would choose the Golf R over its rivals. See you in the next one.